Hi there everyone and a warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Slow Foxtrot practice routine number 6. Now this was taught within the class online on the 14th of November 22. Appreciate I'm going from my notes because I actually recorded these a little while ago and then there was a problem with the audio and I tried to upload them and I've had to go back and re-record them, so bear with me. I have my notes. I started with the heel turn, slow, quick, quick. 3 steps forward, slow, quick, quick. I'm actually just going to move back a little bit, so let's do that again. So I've got slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And do a right foot swivel, slow, and then swivel for the quick, quick, or call it a slow. And then going to do a feather ending, slow, quick, quick. I'm going to do a little adaptation of the hover cross, okay? Don't forget, when we're doing this solo in the living room, I have artistic license to adapt the steps. They're not exactly as we would do in the ballroom with the partner. So we're just practicing in our small space. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Forwards feather again. Slow, quick, quick. I'm going to do a little weave adaptation. Back, back, side, forwards, forwards, side. It's almost a straight weave, but I put the rotation in so you can see. Let's do all of that again. There's a little bit more to do at the end, but let's get up to there. So heel turn, slow, quick, quick. 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 Quick, 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 quick. Slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick. So the forward checks at the end are just little corner checks, but they're like the gents part of the hover cross, and the one in the middle is more like the ladies part of the hover cross, the little checks going backwards. Okay, so just little variations there. Once more, the whole thing. 5, 6, 7, and slow. Quick, quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. There we are. Improvers Solo Slow Foxtrot practice routine number 6. Recently taught on the 14th of November 22. If you're in my full video library on the website, then that's the class you're looking for. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you again soon in another video. Bye bye.